Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best cover letter generator tools available today. In this video, we'll be testing and comparing personalized AI-powered cover letter writing platforms to help you find the perfect tool for your job applications. Whether you're looking for free options or premium features, we've got you covered. Before we dive into our tool comparisons, let's understand the 4 key criteria we use to evaluate each platform. First, we assessed AI personalization quality to see how well each tool customizes letters to specific jobs and companies. Second, we compared free versus paid features to help you understand what's available without spending money. Third, we evaluated ease of use because a complicated tool isn't helpful, no matter how powerful it is. And fourth, we tested output quality to ensure the generated cover letters actually help you stand out to employers. We started our testing with 2 major platforms. Letter Copilot is a free AI generator that uses artificial intelligence to create personalized letters. MyPerfectCoverLetter is a professional builder that offers more structured templates and customization options. Both tools have different strengths, which we'll explore in detail throughout this video. We also evaluated Grammarly AI, which is known for its writing assistance capabilities and can help polish your cover letters. Additionally, we tested Career.ai, which is powered by ChatGPT technology, making it one of the most advanced AI options available for cover letter generation. Rounding out our testing, we included Enhanf, which offers a free AI generator with excellent features, and LiveCareer, which is designed for quick and easy cover letter building. Both of these tools offer accessible options for job seekers who want to get started immediately without complicated setups. Here are the key findings from our comprehensive testing. Free tiers are typically limited to basic templates, so if you need advanced customization, you may need to upgrade. The best personalization came from Letter Copilot and Enhanf, both excelling at creating truly custom content. For speed, Grammarly and LiveCareer delivered the fastest output, perfect if you need a cover letter quickly. And for professional polish and formatting, MyPerfectCoverLetter stood out as the most impressive option. Based on our testing across all criteria, here are the top 3 tools. In first place, Letter Copilot scored 9.2 out of 10, offering superior AI personalization and free access. In second place, MyPerfectCoverLetter scored 8.9 out of 10, delivering professional templates and excellent output quality. In third place, Grammarly AI scored 8.7 out of 10, providing reliable writing assistance and strong polish. Continuing our rankings, Enhanf placed 4th with 8.5 out of 10, offering strong AI personalization at no cost. LiveCareer came in 5th with 8.3 out of 10, excelling in speed and user-friendliness. And Career.ai finished in 6th place with 8.1 out of 10, providing good AI-powered generation through ChatGPT technology. Let's focus on our top 2 winners and what makes them special. Letter Copilot takes the lead with superior AI personalization, meaning it understands your unique skills and tailors them to specific job descriptions remarkably well. MyPerfectCoverLetter distinguishes itself with professional templates that give your cover letter a polished, ready-to-send appearance right out of the box. Depending on whether you prioritize personalization or professional presentation, either tool could be your ideal choice. To conclude, we recommend Letter Copilot if you want the best AI personalization and prefer a free solution. Choose MyPerfectCoverLetter if you want professional polish and are willing to invest a bit for premium features. Either way, you're selecting from the top-performing tools available, and both will significantly improve your cover letter quality. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.